How to delete pins on Pinterest mobile. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can delete pins on Pinterest. For this, launch open the Pinterest app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Then you want to log into your account. Now to delete a pin, you want to head over to your boards. You can do that by tapping on your board name at the top, or you can also tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner, then tap on the saved option over here. You will find your board, so go ahead and tap on whichever you want. Now here on this board there are 3 pins. If you want to delete any of these pins, simply tap and hold on that. Now, a bunch of options will appear in this way. Go ahead and tap on the pencil icon over here until you get the option of edit. So tap on this. Now you get to edit your pin from here. So what you want to do is tap on the delete this pin option at the bottom of your screen. Now it's going to ask you for confirmation. Go ahead and tap on the delete option. Once you do that, as you can see, that pin has been successfully deleted. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.